Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. Today I want to share with you a little bit of eye candy and also what I picked up from the Louis Vuitton Christmas party this year. I was invited to the holiday party or the Christmas party at the Aventura location and had a very nice time. I saw some really beautiful pieces, and I will go ahead and put some video clips in there. Guys, here we are. We're going to be attending the Louis Vuitton Christmas party. But before we go to the party, we have to stop at Cartier and pick up my lighter that was being restored. Here we are for the Louis Vuitton holiday party. Yes, very excited. Beautiful windows. Let me go ahead and share with you what I picked up. I really want your opinion on it, so let's go ahead and get started. So it came in the Louis Vuitton bag, and it has the same gold ribbon as last year. I'm not sure if they're just reusing the bags. Inside we have the small box with the beautiful new Christmas ribbon, which is a reddish pink, I would say, with the gold Louis Vuitton really wrapped beautifully. And in here I also have my receipt. So I had mentioned in another video that they had changed their receipts. However, I'm not real sure because I have received receipts that have the long envelopes like in the past, and then now I also got this one, and this one also comes with the just regular paper receipt, kind of like what you get at Nordstrom and every other retail place. So I'm not sure, but there it is. Here's the receipt, and let's go ahead and check this out. Oh, so pretty. I don't even want to unwrap it, but here we go. We're going to go ahead and take this off. And they included this pretty little card, although it is not the Christmas card. And we have the drawer box. And inside, we have this beautiful pouch. And you will see that this pouch is like a it's like a cream colored pouch. It has the Louis Vuitton in blue, and the little drawstrings are in blue. And this is like a velvet type pouch. So it is not the same material as the fabric pouches that you receive, like for your lock and keys, etc. And inside, can you guess what it is? Is the beautiful Louis Vuitton Nanogram cuff. And let me try and get you to see a closer look. And there it is. It is engraved with the monogram pattern and also has the LV initials on there all around the cuff. It also has the gold stud right here. And I don't know how much you can see that. And it does say Louis Vuitton on there. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see that or not. And this piece is part of their fashion jewelry. And this is a brass with palladium finish. And I went ahead and picked it up in a size medium. Ordinarily, I pick up everything in a size small. This historic nanogram that I have is in the size small. However, I wanted to pick this up in a medium because I am thinking I want to go ahead and get some other bracelets. And so I don't want the size small because as you go ahead and put more bracelets on, obviously your wrist gets a little bit thicker. So let's go ahead and open this up. Hopefully I won't have any trouble. And what you do is you press and you pull. So hang on. Or not. Yeah. So you press on the gold button right there, and then you kind of push off and it'll open. And it says Louis Vuitton Paris. And let's try it on. Let me try and put this on. And you can tell me what you think. Let's see if I can put it on. Oh, there we go. Okay. So there it is. And that's what it looks like. What do you think? Do you own one of these? What do you think about this piece? They have it in the gold color and they have it in the rose gold color. And I'll go ahead and insert a photo of my trying them on. I almost purchased the rose gold color. I figured that this one would probably match better. I really want to stack a few of them, and I'm thinking of getting a David Yurman bracelet. They're so pretty, and it's going to be silver, so I thought it probably would look better. But let me know what you think. Should I get the rose gold one, or do you think you like this one better? So this is my new LV Nanogram cuff or bracelet. Very excited to add to my collection. So yeah, let me know what you think. Do you like it? Do you stack your bracelets? Give me your opinion. What other brands do you like to stack? So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoy the rest of the day, and I will see you soon. Bye.